The monarch butterfly is a beautiful and iconic species that can be found across the United States, southern Canada, and Mexico. They are especially abundant in the Midwest and eastern United States, where their striking orange and black wings are a common sight during the warmer months. However, their range extends beyond North America, with populations also present in parts of South America and the Caribbean, as well as introduced populations in Hawaii, Australia, New Zealand, and other Pacific islands. One of the most remarkable aspects of the monarch butterfly is its incredible migration behavior. Each year, monarchs undertake a long-distance journey from their breeding grounds in North America to overwintering sites in central Mexico. These overwintering sites, located in the high-altitude Oyamelfer forests of Michoacán and the state of Mexico, provide the necessary conditions for the butterflies' survival during the cold winter months. The habitat preferences of the monarch butterfly are closely tied to the presence of milkweed plants, which are crucial for their survival. As the only plant on which monarchs lay their eggs, and the sole food source for their larvae, milkweed is essential for the continuation of their life cycle. Monarchs often choose open areas like meadows, prairies, grasslands, and roadside fields for their breeding grounds, where milkweed plants are abundant. During their migration, monarchs can be found in a variety of habitats. As they travel south in the fall and north in the spring, they rest in forests, fields, and along coastlines, making use of a diverse range of environments along their journey. In addition to their remarkable migration, these butterflies also play a crucial role in the ecosystems they inhabit, serving as important pollinators for a wide variety of plant species. The monarch butterfly's ability to adapt to and thrive in different environments across North and Central America, as well as other parts of the world, makes it a truly remarkable species. From their breeding grounds in the United States to their overwintering sites in Mexico, the monarch butterfly's habitat needs are diverse and complex. As we continue to learn more about these iconic insects, it is crucial to protect and preserve the habitats they rely on for their survival. The monarch butterfly is renowned for its remarkable long-distance migration. Each fall, monarchs from Canada and the United States travel thousands of miles to central Mexico, where they gather in large numbers to overwinter. In the spring, they embark on the journey back north, with several generations completing the round trip. This migration behavior is truly extraordinary and makes the monarch butterfly a fascinating species to study. Reproduction is a vital aspect of the monarch butterfly's life cycle. Throughout their range during the breeding season, females lay eggs on the underside of milkweed leaves. The larvae, also known as caterpillars, feed exclusively on milkweed and undergo several molts before forming a chrysalis. From the chrysalis, an adult butterfly emerges, continuing the cycle of life. When it comes to feeding, adult monarchs enjoy the nectar of a wide variety of flowers, with a particular attraction to milkweed, goldenrod, and other native flowering plants. Their feeding habits play a significant role in ecosystem and pollination. Monarchs have evolved a unique defense mechanism against predators. The milkweed they consume as larvae contains toxic compounds called cardinalides, making them unappealing and even poisonous to many predators. Additionally, their bright orange and black coloration serves as a warning signal, thwarting potential attackers. However, the conservation status of monarch butterflies is a cause for concern. They face numerous threats, including habitat loss due to agricultural expansion, deforestation in their overwintering sites, and the adverse effects of climate change. The widespread use of herbicides that kill milkweed plants also poses a significant risk to their population. To address these threats, various conservation efforts are underway. These efforts include planting milkweed and nectar plants, protecting overwintering sites, and promoting pesticide-free gardening practices. These initiatives are crucial in safeguarding the monarch butterfly and ensuring their survival for generations to come. The monarch butterfly's life cycle, migration, and interactions with its environment make it an essential species for ecological studies and conservation efforts. By understanding and protecting the monarch butterfly, we can also work towards preserving the delicate balance of our ecosystem.